Good. Okay. I would highly recommend Accent Brazil, especially with Mary's dedication. There's nothing comparable to it. You can learn languages by yourself and all the vocabulary, but even learning the nuances, phrases, and different accents and learning the culture itself, you need to be in an engaging classroom such as the one that Mary has created for us. Even with our project here in Brazil, it wasn't even part of her contract to include obstetrics training and learning about policies, but she tailored it to our learning, and especially with a project that's this complicated, her dedication came through and helped us at the end with our project here in Ryerson and in Brazil. So, yeah.